This conference will now be recorded.
So what to date does convert string into date function. So let's say our string can be 0 to 20 if I do, and if I write here this is a month, comma year, this is converting into Oracle functions. Hope you are understanding. Okay. So when I have to convert 200 per cat, 200 per this comes 2001. I hope you guys are able to make the difference. How to-date is working, right? 200 cat, this is comma y, this is to-date, two underscore cat. So 19 years without using months underscore between. Understood? This one, guys, on messages. Ayappa Dinesh, speak out.
Sir, little confused, sir.
Tell me what is the confusion.
To date start after not getting, sir.
This the whole thing
underscore.
is to underscore date. You have to explain first, understand first. What to
Yes, sir.
underscore date? To underscore date. Just be on there. Somebody is playing loud music. Just check here. Disturbing. ऊपर कोई जोर से म्यूजिक दिखा ठीक है to underscore date. So any this is a string generally. It converts into a form of date. Okay. You can type here anything. Let's say 012222. So you have told this is month, year for Oracle. Converted. Any kind of string you give that I have written this type and this is the format. I'll show you one more. Again, I will say 2003. I will write John 0. Then I will tell Oracle or database that I had written year first, then I had written month, then I had written date. Again, convert what it is needed. What to underscore char does, it converts in what we required function. Like today is 01 December 2020. I want to display only year. Okay, 4 digits, or I want to display only 2 digits of year. What happened? Invalid number. Is it possible or not? So why it is not coming? Can anyone tell me what is the error? It must come. Because it's a string. In such cases, to date is used. String cannot be used directly in to can. So to date, now I convert this 01 December 2020. I am telling this is given the format date, month, year. So now I want output in year 2020. Did you understand, guys? What to date does? Any kind of string, it converts into date. I'll show you one more example. You might understand it better. So 01/01/2020. Okay, I will tell that this is date, month, year. Let's see first if this executes. Okay, now what I will do, I will take comma to underscore date. Same input 01/01/2020, but I will change here like month, date, or and make more easier for you 01/02/2020, date, month, year. Same I will repeat, same input, but I will tell to the software that this is, I have not given in date, month format, I have given in month, date, year format. Did you understand? This makes you a clear difference. Whatever the input, this is the input string I am giving, and I am giving a function called I have given into date, month, year. So according to my format, it gets converted. Same function, it has taken like 1st February. Same function, I have given month and date. So it has function 2nd January. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm. Yes. If you understood, then let's move.
Two underscore not read string, sir. Why? Date
Sorry.
string.
Hmm.
Two underscore char.
2 underscore char is a conversion function. Now I'll show you. Hmm. Let's work on that. You know, you guys are not practicing, right? Anything. That's why all this confusion. 2 underscore. Higher date, it has all dates, right? There's all dates. So which format it is in? It is in date, month, year. I want to display only month and year. Only 2 digits are here, but I want to display 4 digits. Got it? Select 2 underscore char. Higher date. I want to display only date. Okay. 2 underscore char. Higher date. I want to display only 2 digits of year. 2 underscore char. Higher date. I want to display month or month of this and year. What happened? Let's till here. Uh, from EMP, not dual. From see the first column I told to display only date, so it has displayed date. Second I told to display only 2 digits of year, it has displayed like that. Here I told to display only month and year. According to that, it is displayed here. This is a function of 2 char. You can tell this to display in your format. Okay, this date you want to display it in date, month, year. And as displayed according to that, you want to change some format. You want to, let's see, I have never done this with you and I will also try. See, 2char function changes the way you want. You understood this? Whatever the format you
Okay.
want to display. Yeah, good. Now aggregate functions. What is aggregate, guys? What is aggregate? Engineering students will keep telling about the aggregate na? All the time. Our whole concentration is on aggregate. Tell me what is aggregate? Both. Dinesh, Ayappa. If you don't know, tell if you don't know. No idea. Aggregate, you know, we generally say, right? What is my aggregate of 4 semesters? I say 70%, some person say 75%. It's more of mathematical calculations. Aggregate functions are mathematical calculations.
combination,
Count,
sir.
calculation. Okay? How we calculate. select star from EMP. Purely mathematics, you must be very good in maths in this. So I can say here there are 14 rows selected. So select, I want to see if there are 10 lakh rows, I won't be able to understand how many rows are there. And in some cases there are few rows. So select count of EMP number from EMP. 14. So there are 14 records in EMP number. Select count of four records in commission. Select count of star from EMP. The total, whichever is the maximum, it gives the 14. Select count of MGR from EMP. 13, because for king, nobody is reporting. This is about the count. Let's say sum. Select star from EMP just for your reference. Select sum of salary. So this is the total sum of salary I pay every month. I mean, king pays every month. President pays. So now I'll give you homework. Please, not homework here only. Please give me a sum of salary for department number 10. I write a query. Write a query for sum of salary for department number 10. Dinesh Ayappa, very easy query, man. Both are using laptop, right? No mobile. Don't use mobile. Do not give a clear picture. Write it, guys. Dinesh, okay. Select style from department number 10. Come on, man. Think again. Ayappa, are you writing? Not writing? I will wait until you give the response yes, no. Okay. Ayappa's query I'll try to execute. Dinesh query is too far from the reality, so select some cell where department number is 10 from EMP. 2 days you didn't come to class and you forgot the syntax. Select sum of cell from EMP. This is first where department number. What is this bracket? Either you write in 10 or only one value is there, you write like this, right? Got it? Yes, no, guys, please interact. If you do not talk, it will be very tough. Yes. And now I told you about count. So how many employees are there in department number 10 and 20 together? How many employees are there in department number 10 and 20 together? Write a query. Select sum of department number. Okay. The department number is equal to 10 or 20. Okay, Dinesh. I'll paste your query. Let's see what kind of, whether it is right or any errors are there. Okay. I will give you sum. Okay. Sum you have made. Sum can be made. Yeah. Your from EMP is also not the Dinesh. Come on. Department number 10. Okay, and if you really want to type or, then you have to type again department number. Far from the accuracy. Okay, this is not coming. First of all, what I have asked you to find the number of employees. Why sum the number of employees? Is it not count? You forgot the count. Select EMP number from EMP. Here department number in 10,20. Total 8 employees in department 10 and 20 together. Got it? Both. You forgot the syntax also, guys. Keep
Yeah.
practicing.
Okay, sir.
Now Tell me how many salesmen are there? Not by seeing the table, by writing the query. Because when you go for the job, there is a possibility of you can have even crores of record. How many salesmen are working? Select count of salesmen from EMP. Dinesh. Ayappa, your answer? First of all, when you use this aggregate function, we do not use on the inside function. Okay, you use on the table structure. Yes, Ayappa has written. Perfect. Good, Ayappa. Let's copy and paste it. Let's see if this runs. Okay, no issues. Spelling mistakes I will correct for you. On EMP where job in, you have to write in the quote and the capital letter. My there are 4 salesmen. Dinesh, your entire syntax is wrong, man. Select count of, it should be job from EMP, and you have to put the filter where job is, or job is equal to salesman. Okay. Now write a query. How many people are getting commissions? Select count of commission from EMP. Okay. Let's try that. Select count of commission on EMP. 4 people, but it's a 0 here, Ayappa. An entry has come with 0, but 0 is not commission. Just make little changes. If it was not a 0 record, I would have said your query is right. Still the query is right, but particularly for this table, it is not right. Dinesh, write something. I mean, write query. Mayappa, try to make small changes. Select count of commission is not equal to 0. No. Invest. Select count of commission also you can make, or count of star also you can make on EM. Commission, if I write your query where your return commission is not equal to 0, I'll tell you what will come. 3. Good. You can also write select on EMP where commission is not null. But in this case, 0 will be recorded. That's why you generally don't write it. Select count of EMP. Commission is greater than 0. Got it, guys? How to write? Just I told you only 2 aggregate functions. Let's go with the next math. What is max? Who is earning the maximum salary? Max of salary. What is the maximum salary? First we'll take this. Select max of salary from EMP. Right? Select minimum of salary EMP. The next function will come to that later. First, so write a query. You got to know that this is the maximum salary. Now tell me who is earning. The name of employee who is earning maximum salary. Please write a name of employee who is earning maximum salary. This is all real-time problems, guys. This is how you face in your industry when you work on the data warehouse project. Or if you're designing so many applications, it may be Android, it may be anything, iPhone, everywhere, for managing the database, SQL is required. You will be writing these kind of queries. Name of the employee who's earning maximum salary. You know how to find the maximum salary, no? Now I want the name. Select the max of salary from EMP by rename. Reverse, you are doing all reverse. I'll just write your function here. Just see what kind of error it has come. Invalid rational operator. Where ename, this is a half query, na? Where ename, what? Ename is equal to something, this something. First of all, the approach is wrong. Think once again. Dinesh, are you writing something? If not, I will go ahead and tell you. select what I asked. I want ename. From EMP. Sal is equal to, since you know 5000, you can directly write 5000 here, or write one more query. Got it? Any confusion? Select ename or employee number, EMP number from EMP. Sal is equal to 5000. You can write something 4000. If you know the salary, you can write it 2 times. You can find out the maximum salary first, then you can write the numbers here. Instead, you can write direct query, or else whose department number is highest number of department. This is all. These are the people who are working in department number 30. Understood, guys? Please respond. The minimum of and maximum of and sum of and whatever you learned till date, I'm putting here. Count of star from EMP. The minimum salary is 800 for the company. Maximum they are paying $5,000. The total sum of salary is this. Total number of records are 40. Right? Now write a query. I need an employee name who is earning minimum salary in department number 30. Need employee name who is earning minimum salary in department number 30. Right? I have written in the chat box what I need. Please read that and write the query. Dinesh, write the query, man. Ayappa is writing, you are not writing today. Very simple. Need an employee name who is earning minimum salary in department number 30. Ayappa has written, select e name from employee where minimum salary is equal to 30. Okay. First of all, I'll write a table for you, Ayappa. Select star from EMP. You have written minimum of sal is equal to 30. First of all, there is no 30 in salary table, salary column. And when you say minimum of sal, it will automatically pick up 800. 800 cannot be equal to 30. The approach is slightly wrong. I will write for you. First, we'll understand how to find a minimum cell in the department number 30. Select. Okay. Minimum cell from EMP. You got this? Now what you want? You want the employee name. Select e-name from EMP. Sal is equal to select sal from EMP. Forgot to write the table name. James in the department number 30, he's earning the minimum salary, right? But this is not a complete right statement. Let's try this. No. Okay. Did you understand this? How to write the query is inside query. Dinesh, I know you are taking hard today, but you need to practice. I said okay. Dinesh, respond one. Now comes average. What is the average? Average is something, you know, or every engineering student keep telling. I want to increase my internal average. I want to increase my semester average. So let's see what is the average salary spent. What is average? In some versions it is taking AVG, in some versions it is taking average. You check in your version what it is taking, whether it is taking average or AVG. Either one should be fine. In my present company where I am working, I generally use this average of SAL. This is a newer version which Oracle has come. I am using little older version of software. That's why AVG. Both should be fine, not an issue. Okay. This is the average salary I am spending. So in a same row, I want a result maximum of SAL, maximum salary, minimum salary, average salary, sum of salary, count of employees. Give me all this result. I want to see here what is the maximum salary, what is the minimum salary, what is the average salary for this company, what is the complete sum of salary they are spending, and how many employees are there. In the same output, I want all the results. Write a query for that. And this I wanted to tell you today, but you guys are taking little slow. Practice, guys, so that we can jump to the aggregate filters.